Want the fastest way to eliminate humidity, prevent mold, and keep your home feeling fresh and breathable? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the top 10 best dehumidifiers, covering performance, energy efficiency, smart controls, and real customer feedback. And before we begin, make sure you watch this video until the very end to know which one is truly the best overall pick. Trust me, the number one choice might surprise you. Let's start the countdown from number 10. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 10. Waykar 80 pints. If you need heavy-duty moisture control for huge basements or entire floors of your home, this Waykar 80 pint model deserves attention. Product highlights. Coverage. Up to 5,000 SQ. Feet. Max 80 pints. Energy Star 2025. Large 1.14-gallon water tank. Drain hose included. Intelligent control panel. Ideal for home and basement use. What users say. Customers praise its reliability and strong extraction power. Many mention that it quickly reduces humidity in large open spaces, even during summer. Pros. Extremely large coverage. Fast moisture removal. High-quality build. Easy-to-use interface. Works well for multi-room basements. Best for large homes, multi-level basements, and year-round moisture control. Number 9. Midea 22 pints. A compact yet powerful option perfect for smaller rooms, bathrooms, and apartments. Product highlights. Covers, 1,500 SQ. Feet. 22 pint extraction. Reusable air filter. Energy Star certified. Auto restart and auto defrost. Quiet operation. What users say. People love how lightweight and easy to move it is. Reviewers highlight its quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms and living spaces. Pros. Very energy efficient. Simple maintenance. Great for smaller areas. Whisper quiet. Compact and lightweight. Best for small apartments, bathrooms, small basements, and condos. Number 8. 60 pint dehumidifier. This model combines strong moisture removal with modern smart home features. Product highlights. Covers, 2,500-3,000 SQ. Feet. 60 pints. App-controlled humidity. Child lock feature. Drain hose included. Intelligent humidity settings. What users say. Customers love the app functionality and how easy it is to adjust humidity remotely. Several mention the child lock being a lifesaver for families. Pros. Smart app functionality. Strong extraction rate. Child-safe features. Great for medium homes. Easy setup. Best for families with kids, modern homes, and laundry rooms. Number 7. DGUAM 80 pint. A powerful, quiet option designed for large basements and open spaces. Product highlights. 4,500 SQ. Feet coverage. 80 pints. Smart humidity control. 3 operating modes. Drain hose included. Low noise compressor. What users say. Reviewers highlight how quietly it runs despite its power. Many say it's excellent for continuous operation in basements. Pros. Quiet for its size. Strong moisture removal. Easy to maintain design. Good for large spaces. Energy efficient operation. Best for basements, open floor plans, and whole home moisture control. Number 6. KNKA 34 pints. A reliable and budget-friendly choice for everyday home use. Product highlights. Covers, 2,500 SQ. Feet. 34 pints. 3 modes including dry clothes. 24-hour timer. Drain hose included. Smart humidity control. What users say. Many buyers appreciate its affordability and quiet operation. It is often praised for keeping bedrooms cool and dry without noise disturbance. Pros. Quiet and efficient. Great price to performance. Good for medium-sized rooms. Lightweight and easy to move. Simple controls. Best for bedrooms, bathrooms, small basements, and living rooms. Number 5. KeepGlad 95 pint. The top-tier large home dehumidifier designed for high moisture levels and tough environments. Product highlights. Covers up to 4,900 SQ. Feet. Max 95 pints. Intelligent humidistat. Smart compressor. 3 operating modes. Drain hose included. What users say. Users rave about how quickly it removes moisture in big basements. Many mention it performs great even in high humidity coastal areas. Pros: massive extraction power. Extremely effective for large basements. Durable build. Great for all-day operation. Accurate humidity readings. Best for very large homes, heavy humidity, and coastal climates. Number 4. VEAGASO 34 Pint. A quiet, efficient, and versatile dehumidifier designed for daily home use. Product highlights. Covers, 2500 SQ. Feet. Max 34 pints. 3 modes. Standard, continuous, dry clothes. Intelligent humidity control. 24-hour timer. Drain hose included. What users say. Customers highlight the extremely low noise during nighttime use. The dry clothes mode is also one of the most praised features. Pros: perfect for bedrooms. Very low noise. 3 useful operating modes. Good price point. Safety-focused auto shut-off. Best for bedrooms, bathrooms, small basements, and day-to-day home use. Number 3. Midea Cube 20 Pint. A unique, compact, and smart-enabled dehumidifier that saves space while offering big performance. Product highlights. 1500 SQ. Feet coverage. 20 pints. Alexa compatible. Energy Star certified. Stackable design. Drain hose included. What users say. People praise the extended bucket design and smart app features. Many say it lasts longer before needing to be emptied. Pros: smart monitoring. Space-saving cube design. Quiet compressor. Perfect for mid-sized rooms. Efficient and reliable. Best for apartments, living spaces, smart homes, and small basements. Number 2. Vellgoo Star 70 Pint. A high-quality, long-lasting dehumidifier made for heavy moisture removal and long-duration use. Product highlights. Covers, 4500 SQ. Feet. 70 pint, standard 56 ppd. Smart humidity control. Drain hose included. Ideal for basement, home, garage. Energy Star 2025 certified. What users say. Reviews highlight the build quality and long-term reliability. Users with damp basements report very positive results. Pros: strong performance. Very energy efficient. Built to last. Great for larger homes. Easy setup and controls. Best for basements, garages, and large living spaces. Number 1. AEOCKY 80 Pint. This is the top performing unit in the entire list, offering unmatched efficiency and moisture removal. Product highlights. Covers, 4500 SQ. Feet. Max 80 pints. Smart compressor. Intelligent humidistat. Drain hose included. Energy Star 2025. Ideal for home, bathroom, basement. What users say. Users consistently mention its speed, quiet operation, and accuracy. Many say it drops humidity levels faster than any model they've tried. Pros: exceptional performance. Very energy efficient. Fast moisture reduction. Great for large homes. Accurate smart humidistat. Best for anyone who needs serious moisture control with maximum efficiency. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Based on performance, energy efficiency, user satisfaction, and long-term reliability, the best overall dehumidifier on this list is AEOCKY 4500 Square Fort Dehumidifier. It offers the strongest balance of extraction power, smart features, reliability, and value. Thank you for watching our top 10 best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.